This is what happens to your liver when you drink soursop juice 2 times a day. One of the fruits rarer by its form, but more delicious in fruit as in juice, is the guinabana. Very few people consume it by its external appearance. However, it is a great carrier of properties that makes the body enjoy great benefits that you cannot even imagine. Do you want to find out what they are? Its flavor is bittersweet and proves to be quite delicious. This makes this fruit the main ingredient in many desserts, beverages and, believe it or not, remedies. In fact, according to the history of the fruit, many years ago people used from their leaves to fruit as remedies and tonics to strengthen the body and avoid diseases, that is, to strengthen the immune system in a very natural way. Today, soursop is considered one of the healthiest and most delicious fruits there is, all thanks to its nutrients and many more properties. Now, so that you know very well these benefits that we are talking about, we will share the most important ones, and you will notice that unless you say guinabana, you will go out and buy a couple of kilos to have them at home. Benefits of soursop for body. 1. Strengthens the immune system. The properties it contains as vitamin C and those of the B complex help the immune system respond more quickly and effectively against diseases, viruses, bacteria and more. 2. It protects the liver. It is ideal to support the functions of the liver in a natural way, avoiding that it works much more than necessary. It also helps considerably the functions of the gallbladder. 3. Prevents osteoporosis. It is a rich natural source of phosphorus and calcium, which are essential for the health of bones and teeth. 4. It is a potent anti-cancer. It has antioxidants that act to prevent different types of cancer, such as colon, breast, lung, prostate and pancreas. Besides all that we have already mentioned, it also has the ability to increase the energies of the body and protects the nervous system, all thanks to a